The Minister of State for Budget and National Planning, Clement Agba, says government record books will be accessible to civil society organizations perceived as patriots. Mr. Agba said this during the BudgiT Anniversary lecture, where he further revealed that government record books are always open for partners working towards the growth of the country to vet and understand the activities of government. Correspondent Habida Lawal reports.
In its 60 years of independence, Nigeria, which has an oil-driven economy, has had more than 33 years of military rule, and during this period, the detailed budget was guarded as a state secret. This has been relaxed in this democratic dispensation, and now both the proposed and enacted budgets are available to citizens as enabled by law. But the budget is officially released in a non-readable format, as most citizens have no clear understanding of government finances. BudgiT, Nigeria's foremost technology hub, has designed data-driven technology to make government's proposed annual budgets simpler to understand.
Audience and also with us virtually.
At this conference, it is proposing an open civic engagement between government and the people. Speakers here are saying apart from budget allocation, another factor to note is the efficient and transparent management of key resources such as taxes, extractive revenue, grants and other sources of revenue.
How should Nigerians respond to giving? Because we all seem to be interested in the expenditure side of the budget. Nobody is interested in the plan. They're interested in the budget, but in the budget, they're only interested in the expenditure side, whereas the most important part of the budget is the revenue side.
Our pursuit of a more result-driven democracy that translates to meaningful developmental outcomes cannot be achieved without robust citizens' engagement and effective participation in public affairs.
Although Nigeria now practices democracy, the appropriate structures are still evolving.
And there is no magic in revenue. We've tried it. There's no magic. The magic to revenue performance is invest in growth. The country has to grow before you can tax them. And Nigeria is smoothing its revenue curve. Our revenue curve is so dependent on oil, and that's why when your prices are high, it looks like we're in abundance, and when prices are low, it looks like we're not doing well. A decent country wraps its revenue around taxation.
They believe transparency and civic engagement should be a key practice in order to unravel corrupt practices wrapped like a thick curtain around government finances and make document, especially the budget, open to Nigerians. Accountability is found to be an essential component in building a civic engagement and demanding for an equitable society. Habida Lawal, TVC News, Abuja.